Do you have a king-size bed, but you don't use king-size pillowcases? Join the club! Let me show you how to make a king-size pillowcase into a standard size. Let's go! First, turn your king-size pillowcase inside out. Bingo!
King-size pillowcase measures about 38 inches long, whereas a queen size measures about 30 inches.
Next, cut off 7.5 inches of your pillowcase. Why 7.5 and not 8, you ask? Because, my friend, we're going to need to have a 1/2 inch of seam allowance. This is where we're going to stitch. Dirty Gertie, show us how it's done. Hey, beautiful. Hi! Let's get our magnetic seam guide lined up to be 4/8 inches or 1/2 inch. 10 stitches per inch. Center needle position and stitch width is 0. This is going to be a straight stitch to begin. You're doing great, Gertie. Now this is very important. Do not skip your back stitch. Let me draw your attention here. This was done by the manufacturer to prevent the edges from unraveling. We don't want our edges to fray, so we're going to do a zigzag stitch over here. We need to make some adjustments. Let's go over to a stitch width of 4. Previously, needle position was centered. Let's shift that to the right. Because the needle is now going side to side instead of in a straight line, you may find that lowering your tension will make your stitches look better. It's always good to do some test stitches. This is how it looked when my needle was centered. When I switch the needle to the right position, now we've got each of these zigzags overlapping the edge and locking in those frayed edges. Aim for this. Beautiful. Locked and loaded. These little frays are not gonna come out. While I've got you here, let's do the pokey pokey.
Do the pokey pokey and turn your corners out. That's what it's all about. Bam!
Here's where we started. Here's where we end. Woohoo! Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Happy sewing!